The PurePath Glove Pet Hair Remover is a reusable glove marketed to quickly lift pet fur from furniture, clothing, car interiors, and more. It claims to work on all fur types, remove deeply embedded hair in seconds, and is washably eliminating the need for sticky lint rollers or refills. It sounds convenient, but does it actually deliver? Let's take a closer look. First, the website features a striking before and after photo that seems impressive at first glance. However, on closer inspection, the image appears to be AI-generated rather than a real customer photo. This is misleading and raises doubts about the authenticity of the results being promoted. Next, the sales approach is notably aggressive. The site displays persistent messages like winter sale, a countdown timer that never ends, buy to get two free, and warnings that the current batch is 85% sold out. This creates a sense of urgency that feels more like pressure to buy quickly than confidence in the product's performance. The product description leans heavily on buzzwords such as effortless, quick, and spotless, with claims like cleanse in seconds and turns a deep clean into a 30-second reset. These statements sound exaggerated, and comparisons to cheap competitors come across more as marketing hype than verifiable proof. Another point of concern is the claim that the glove is a 2026 top-rated item by pet owners. There's no indication of which organization or group awarded this title, making the claim feel invented to boost perceived credibility. When it comes to reviews, the website showcases glowing testimonials, but external feedback is scarce. There are no reviews on Trustpilot and very little discussion on Reddit. On their Facebook page, only 7 reviews were found, while some users praise the electrostatic feature and recommend buying multiple gloves. Others report that it didn't work well for them, experienced delayed shipping, or were hit with unexpected charges. Overall, user experiences are mixed. In summary, the PurePath glove appears overhyped, with potentially misleading imagery, pushy sales tactics, unverified claims, and limited authentic reviews. It's difficult to fully trust the product. While it may work satisfactorily for some, there isn't enough reliable evidence to consider it a consistently effective solution. If you found this review helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product evaluations. We'll keep researching so you can spend your time and money wisely. Thanks for watching.